You can easily insert out 3D objects as a rendered image so that you don't have to work around with 3D space later on while you're making storyboard, especially if you don't want to work around with 3D. So if you want to do that, first of all, you need to go to the library section right here, and under 3D models, I'm just going to go around, right click, and I'm going to go around and import files right here. So once I go around over here, and then here you can see that there's the model right here, but I'm going to go to desktop and bring in this laptop object. So let me just click on open, and I need to convert this to FBX right here. And then this comes right here, as you can see. So if I were to click and drag this over here, now I can use a 3D model, or I can render this to 2D, as you can see right here. So let me just click on render to 2D, and what happens is I see this. So I can work around with the translation right here. So you can go around and then let's say, for example, click and drag this right here to actually see different views. So let me just go around onto scaling, and you can see that I can really scale this out right here. I can work around with the rotation, the Y scale right here, the X scale. Just click and drag, and then you will be able to see how this looks. So this is a 3D object, as you can see. I can move this around over here, I can move this around over here, and I can move this in X-axis, and I can rotate this object out as well according to how I like it. So you can get the angle that you want right here. So let me just go around, work around with the Y-axis just like this, and fit the model to view as well. You can also use your scroll mouse button right here, and then you can use the spacebar to click and drag and then pan around and get the angle that you want, as you can see. You can also change around the focal length, as you can see, to zoom in and zoom out, as you can see right here. So once that is done, you can go around and click on render to scene, and what happens is that you get a 2D image, not a 3D object, but a 2D image right here on a separate layer, as you can see right here. And that is how you can import out 3D objects as rendered image inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.